Okay. Kina. Wake up. Bungal.
Okay, hi guys. So today we're going to be reading all of my
Reading?
material.
Okay.
I love school, guys. This is sponsored by my school, and I love you guys. If you love school, comment down below and subscribe. I love you if you're new to this family. So we're going to start at English and Filipino
And
mother tongue.
oh, this is your reading materials. Dami. Ba? Sige.
Yeah.
Pick ka muna ng English one first.
Yeah. Of course, I love to speak English.
Oh, wait lang. I'm going to look the if it's what's the title of that? And what's
Short
the
sentences.
I see. Short sentences. Okay.
Okay, the man ran.
Okay.
The man ran. Dan is a man. Dan has a tan. John has a tan. The man has the can. John has a can. The cat is fat. Nat is a cat. The cat sat. The man ran.
Na?
The man ran. The rat ran.
Next.
I'm a paper face.
Next na. Signal. Okay, what's that?
Short story.
Short story.
The ant.
The ant.
Dan has an ant. The ant is tan. The ant is fat. John has a fat ant. John has a cat. The cat is fat. The cat has the fat ant. John is mad. The cat is sad. The cat is a fat, sad, bad guy.
Oh, English, madali. Pag Tagalog, nga.
Like,
Ay. Oh, bulol-bulol na pag Tagalog tsaka mother tongue. Okay, Tagalog naman. Okay, Tagalog naman. Sige.
Okay. Malaking titik di, maliit titik di, ang tunag na, dade di, duga. Duga.
Anong tuga?
Ay, daga. Dugo. Bigo. Dama. Ada. Dapo. Dulo. Dudo. Duya.
Anong duya? Anong duya?
Daya. Nadapa. Parada. Pasada. Dalaga. May dugo ang daga sa paa. May sagala sa parada. Nadapa si Ada kanina.
Very good. Next.
You pick. Will I go down to the court?
Ano pang commercial?
I love my body to the mother tongue. Get killed up is so fine.
Kuha ka ng energy, mother tongue na. Magpulupot na yung dila mo. Ka na, sit down na tayo. Mother tongue naman. Hanap tayo ng mother tongue. Mother tongue. Mother tongue.
Get me away from this! Get me away!
Ang gulo na naman ng kama dahil. Ito. Madali lang to mother tongue na to.
Help!
So,
Help!
Salamatan say talaba. Halika na! Madi! Na. Naupuan mo na. Dito, di ko makita.
Say alamatan say talaba. Mata baso alama. Mata baso talaba. Mata tabaso alama. Tan ta la baad lamo. Yay!
Oh, isa pa. Ito naman. Ito. Mother tongue na mga word cam. Papuluputin natin dila mo. Yan, magpapairap lang saya. Meow. Halika na!
Get me out of here, meow.
Carry up na. Sige na, talas na to ay. Ang gulo ni Madi. Wait. Titingnan ko. Okay na. Okay. Huwag na.
Mother tongue and alat balag.
Wait ka ah.
Ang balat. Ang kamal. Laplas and nan.
Labo.
Nan.
Wait lang. Start from the start.
Mother tongue ulag balag. Ang balat. Ang kamal. Laplas and nan. Iinaman. And the cut. Patak.
Ano? Po?
Cut.
Alien eh.
Pakal.
Pakol.
Batak. Batak si Manny.
Batik.
Batok.
Sige, next.
Malikot.
Malikot. Very good.
Kalat.
Ayan o.
Kalat.
Ayan o.
Ikot.
Ikot.
Karap.
Wait, di ko makita.
Karap. Tapatan.
Kapatan. Next.
Iyatagay.
Iyatagay. Next.
Basaan. Basampat. Ansampat. Ansampat.
Ansampat. Ansampat. Asan na?
Mamplas.
Then, next sa ansampat, ayan o. Ayan o. Ito ba, Dios? Next o. Laya. Ay, kikichismis na. Halika na. Oh. Oh, yan. Next.
Napag.
Ipaagaw. Sunod, saan na?
Benang.
Ano?
Benang.
Ipaagaw. Sunod, ano?
Benang.
Banag. Ano sabi mo, binong? Banag. Sabi mo, banag.
Bangag.
Banag. No, next.
Malipak.
Malimpak. Sunod. Doon mo na tingnan.
Ugis.
Maugus.
Maagas.
Next, maagas. Anong next na maagas?
Maagas.
Next. Masibag. Very good.
Ambatal.
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 Next.
Ambatal. Naikal.
Naikal.
Mabot-bot.
Mabat-bat.
Mabikag.
Ano?
Mabiskag.
Mabiskog.
Mabiskag.
Dito na.
Bye-bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Reading video. Practice more reading si Made. Thank you ka na pala. Monetize ka na.
Please, kami monetize, please.
Sige na.
Thank you. Mag-monetize na ako. And bye-bye, guys. See you next video.
Thank you for all the support. And always subscribe your channel.
Yeah.
Thank you po. Watch out sa birthday video ni Maddie. She's going to be 6 years old now. Old ka na in your birthday on October 24?
2017.
Yeah. How old are you then?
6.
Na.
And it's 12 more days. So, keep watching until I post the video. And bye-bye, guys. I'll see you in my next video. And God bless you. Meow!
Thank you.